Hey guys, Cameron over at 816 Diesel bringing you a cold start walk around video today. We got an 04 Ford F350 Lariat 4x4. Obviously the elephant in the room, we're in a new shop. We're downtown Kansas City on the other side in the West Bottoms, about 4 miles from the old shop. But we do have the ability to do our videos inside now with a little more space. And the shop is cold. Got the thermometer right here just so you can see we're at about 40 degrees in here. We have not kicked the heaters on yet today. Truck's been sitting here for a significant amount of time without moving. So here it is, cold start video. Like I said, it's a 04 model, 04.5, 6.0 Powerstroke F350. Lariat, crew cab, long bed, 1 ton. Low miles, super clean, not a lot of bad happening on this truck, but we're going to go through the cold start and kind of show you everything and anything it has to offer, which starts with a very clean leather interior, super clean carpets, mats, the works. You're going to hear me say that a lot. Everything on this truck is extremely nice and clean. As you can see, we are working with a cold truck all around. Kind of hard to get my camera in there, but cold and cold. Trans and motor. 127,636 on the miles. And just because we are inside, I'm going to talk a little bit before I actually start this up and go through the outside. It's got power sliding rear, 4-wheel drive, AC and heat work great, radio works awesome, 6-disc in-dash, aftermarket trailer brake controller, got your cup holders, seating for 6, the middle jump seat flops up. I got some paperwork here, got some receipts for this bad boy, and we've got a brand new Swamps FICM in it. Just to point out some of the better receipts, this one here is $5 grand. $5,101, and that is for Rush Truck Center doing a head job on this truck back in 2012. So all new head gaskets and everything, OEM. The truck has not been studded though. It just had the head gaskets done. Oh, sorry, I lost our picture there. Looks like we're back now. Just head gaskets though, no studs. Wanted to keep it original. Everything on this truck is original. There's no aftermarket modifications. The motor is stock how Ford produced it. There's no exhaust, no intakes, no studs, no deletes. It is a factory functioning Ford truck with low miles. Tons of great service in that folder. I'm not going to go over it all. Let's wait for these glow plugs to go out here, and truck fires right up like it should. Nothing weird, no misses, and that was ice cold. This truck runs great when it's cold. Everything works as it should. We've got tinted windows in here. We've blacked out the lights. Other than that, we just leveled it and put 35s on it. Dixie Peck tires, brand new, all 6. So let's pop the hood and walk around and check it out a little bit better. First, we'll go back here and check the exhaust. She is not smoking or doing anything weird or funny. There's a little bit of coldness haze, but that is it. Like I said, bone stock under the hood. Proper amount of coolant in the degas. I lied. It does have a coolant filtration system on it, which is a smart upgrade. They probably did an oil cooler at some point as well. No blow-by whatsoever. Absolutely none. Stock as it gets, though. All in all, the truck is in super good condition. Like I said, you're going to get tired of hearing me say that. It is a clean one head to toe. We did Harley-Davidson Headlights. We smoked out the cab lights for some LEDs. Smoked out the bed lights, tail lights. We put some Dixie Peck all-terrain 315s on there, which is basically a 35. They are 10-ply. LT 315 75 16s with the OEM Lariat wheels. High tread tire. I think it's a 70,000 mile tire. Got the factory keypad. I mean, I'm looking for stuff to show you that's messed up, but it's non-existent. The truck just went into high idle as well. Cab corners and rockers are dang near flawless, like it's sat in a garage most of its life. Frame is dry, clean. It's got a little bit of surface rust, but nothing crazy, nothing bad. I'll show you these bed rails as well. They're in good condition. Like I said, all tires on the rear are new. The truck has a Tonneau Sport leather tonneau on it. It folds back and locks. Line X bed liner. And a set of fifth wheel rails up there. I don't know if you can see them, but it's a set of rails in there. So ready to pull a camper. It's what this truck probably did most of its life, is just pull a camper. Got a little ding in the rear bumper down low here. Nothing terrible, but you can see that little area. Tailgate's super clean. Got one little scratch in it. Finger size. FX4 off-road, so it's got the Rancho shocks, the skid plates. Same story over here. I mean, the truck is clean throughout. Like I said, a mud flaps on it. The dually flares have little to no damage. I'm just going to say no damage. There's no spider cracks. There's no zip ties in them. As a matter of fact, let's go back and check that one because I wasn't super thorough. These dually flares are usually always just busted out somewhere from someone hitting the garage. Nope, not this one. Two perfect dually flares. We smoked that third brake up there too with an LED third brake, which is always kind of nice. Oop. The truck's just high idling, warming itself up. As you can see now, the tranny's a little warm, motor's still pretty cold. We're gonna turn it off so the rest of this video we're not polluting the air in here. Just kind of while we go through the rest of it. Because as you can imagine, this shop fills up with smoke quick. Back seat, super clean. Doesn't look like anyone's really been back here. It's got the folding out trays on both sides. Those metal trays are real nice if you need to throw a toolbox or something in there, even the dogs, and you don't want to get the leather all messed up. Another good option about this truck, when they're hard loaded like this, you do have the passenger power heated seat. Sometimes those Lariats just have one power, but this one has power adjustable heated both sides. No rips or tears. You do have a little bit of weather showing through. I mean, it does have 120K. It's not new, but it is in good condition, isn't it? Man, it's nice and dry underneath. It sat there overnight with no leaking or nothing. But you know the drill, guys. These dualies, for some reason, I do not keep them long. And obviously, they got a great look to them. They're big and tough, but this one has the right miles, the right condition. It's unmolested. It's everything you want to see. Brand new tires. It rides and drives just like it looks. You know, if you come down and check it out, you'll love the way it rides and drives. But give us a shout, guys. 816diesel.com is the website. Head on over there first. You're going to find the VIN number, pricing, some more detailed pictures, anything with the vehicle. If there's something you want to see, like the receipts I have, I'm happy to forward them to you. But let me know if you have any questions. My contact info is right on the website too. My name's Cameron. My cell phone is 913-735-3748. Feel free to call or text me and let me know how I can help. But that's pretty much it, guys. I appreciate your time. I look forward to hearing from you. And I'm just going to show you them lights real quick. They're pretty cool. I like those LED bed lights. They look good at nighttime. They're nice and bright. And then, of course, you got LED in the mirror. All LED up top. But thanks for your time, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you guys like the new shop. You'll be seeing more videos coming out of here. If you don't like them, let me know. We'll take it back outside.